The Linux world is buzzing with excitement as Linux Kernel 7.1 officially arrives, bringing a fresh wave of improvements, optimizations, and hardware support that continue to strengthen the foundation of countless operating systems around the globe. Whether you are a desktop user, a gamer, a developer, a system administrator, or someone running Linux on servers and embedded devices, every new kernel release is an important milestone because the kernel is the core component that connects software with hardware. It manages system resources, controls devices, handles memory, schedules processes, and provides the essential functionality that makes a Linux-based operating system work. With Linux Kernel 7.1, developers have focused on refining performance, enhancing security, improving compatibility with modern hardware, and introducing changes that help prepare Linux for the next generation of computing devices. While many users may never directly interact with the kernel itself, the improvements delivered in each release often result in faster systems, better battery life, smoother graphics performance, improved networking, and stronger overall reliability. One of the biggest highlights of Linux Kernel 7.1 is expanded hardware support. Every kernel release introduces compatibility improvements for newly released processors, graphics cards, storage controllers, laptops, and peripheral devices. As hardware manufacturers continue to release cutting-edge products, Linux developers work tirelessly to ensure that users can enjoy seamless support without relying on proprietary patches or unofficial modifications. Linux Kernel 7.1 extends support for newer generations of CPUs and chipsets, helping users get the best performance from modern systems while maintaining excellent backward compatibility with older hardware. Performance optimization is another major focus of this release. Linux has long been known for its efficiency, but kernel developers continually look for ways to reduce latency, improve responsiveness, and make better use of available resources. In Linux Kernel 7.1, several internal subsystems have received updates designed to improve process scheduling, memory management, and storage performance. These changes may not always be immediately visible in benchmark charts, but they contribute to a smoother user experience across a wide variety of workloads. For desktop users, responsiveness is often one of the most noticeable aspects of a system. Whether opening applications, switching between tasks, or working with multiple programs simultaneously, users expect fast and consistent performance. Linux Kernel 7.1 introduces refinements that help reduce bottlenecks and improve overall system fluidity. As a result, users may experience faster application launches, improved multitasking behavior, and more efficient utilization of CPU resources. Gamers also benefit from many of the enhancements included in this release. Linux gaming has experienced tremendous growth in recent years thanks to projects such as Proton, Steam Deck, and improved graphics driver support. Kernel-level improvements can directly impact gaming performance by reducing input latency, improving GPU communication, and optimizing system resource allocation. Linux Kernel 7.1 continues this trend with updates aimed at delivering a more stable and responsive gaming environment across various hardware configurations. Storage performance remains a critical area of development, especially as modern systems increasingly rely on high-speed NVMe solid-state drives. Linux Kernel 7.1 includes updates to storage subsystems that improve efficiency and reliability when handling large amounts of data. Faster data transfers, better queue management, and refined I/O operations contribute to a smoother experience for users working with large files, virtual machines, databases, and content creation workloads. Security continues to be a top priority for Linux developers, and Kernel 7.1 introduces several enhancements designed to strengthen system protection. In today's computing environment, security threats continue to evolve, making it essential for operating systems to stay ahead of potential vulnerabilities. The Linux community actively reviews, tests, and improves kernel code to minimize risks and protect users from emerging threats. This release includes various security hardening measures, improved protections against certain attack vectors, and updates that help reinforce the overall integrity of the operating system. Networking has also received attention in Linux Kernel 7.1. Modern workloads depend heavily on reliable and efficient network communication. Whether users are browsing the web, streaming content, hosting services, or managing cloud infrastructure, kernel developers have introduced refinements that improve networking performance and reliability, while supporting newer networking technologies. These enhancements can help reduce latency, improve throughput, and provide a more stable experience in both consumer and enterprise environments. Another important aspect of Linux Kernel 7.1 is power efficiency. Battery life remains a key concern for laptop users, and efficient power management plays an increasingly important role across mobile devices, embedded systems, and data centers. Developers have implemented improvements that allow hardware components to operate more efficiently while reducing unnecessary power consumption. The result is potentially longer battery life for portable devices and lower energy usage for systems running around the clock. Developers and software engineers will also appreciate the updates included in Linux Kernel 7.1. The kernel provides numerous interfaces and features used by development tools, virtualization platforms, containers, and advanced workloads. Enhancements in these areas help ensure that Linux remains a leading platform for innovation. Improved debugging capabilities, updated APIs, and refinements to kernel infrastructure contribute to a more robust environment for building and deploying modern applications. Virtualization continues to be a cornerstone of Linux adoption in enterprise environments. Organizations rely on Linux-based virtualization technologies to run multiple operating systems efficiently on shared hardware. Linux Kernel 7.1 includes updates that improve virtualization performance, resource management, and compatibility with modern workloads. These changes help cloud providers, hosting companies, and enterprise users achieve better scalability and efficiency. Container technologies such as Docker and Kubernetes have transformed the way applications are deployed and managed. Linux Kernel 7.1 includes enhancements that support containerized workloads more effectively, helping maintain Linux's position as the preferred platform for cloud-native computing. Improved resource isolation, scheduling efficiency, and subsystem optimizations contribute to better performance and reliability for container environments. File system improvements are another area worth mentioning. Linux supports a wide range of file systems, each designed to address specific use cases. Kernel 7.1 includes fixes, optimizations, and feature updates for several file systems, improving reliability and performance across different storage configurations. These updates help ensure data integrity while delivering faster access to files and improved handling of large storage volumes. The open-source nature of Linux remains one of its greatest strengths. Every kernel release represents the combined efforts of thousands of contributors from around the world. Developers, hardware manufacturers, researchers, and volunteers collaborate to identify issues, propose solutions, review code, and test new features. Linux Kernel 7.1 is the result of this massive community effort, demonstrating how open-source development can produce technology that powers everything from smartphones and laptops to supercomputers and global internet infrastructure. For users considering an upgrade, it is important to remember that the latest kernel version may not immediately appear in every Linux distribution. Different distributions follow different release schedules and stability policies. Rolling release distributions often adopt new kernels relatively quickly, while long-term support distributions may wait longer before introducing major kernel updates. This approach helps ensure reliability and compatibility for users who prioritize stability over immediate access to the newest features. Despite the excitement surrounding new releases, the importance of stability cannot be overstated. Kernel developers dedicate significant effort to testing and validation before releasing new versions. Linux Kernel 7.1 includes countless bug fixes and refinements that improve overall reliability. These changes help reduce crashes, address edge case issues, and provide a more dependable experience across a wide range of hardware and software configurations. Looking ahead, Linux Kernel 7.1 serves as another step in the ongoing evolution of the Linux ecosystem. The technology landscape continues to change rapidly, with advances in artificial intelligence, cloud computing, edge devices, gaming, and high-performance computing creating new demands for operating systems. Linux remains uniquely positioned to adapt to these challenges because of its flexibility, scalability, and strong developer community. The release of Linux Kernel 7.1 demonstrates that innovation within the Linux ecosystem shows no signs of slowing down. From performance improvements and expanded hardware support to enhanced security and better power efficiency, this release reinforces Linux's reputation as one of the most versatile and reliable operating system kernels in the world. Whether you are running Linux on a personal laptop, a gaming rig, a development workstation, A cloud server, or an embedded device, the improvements introduced in Kernel 7.1 contribute to a stronger and more capable platform. As users and developers begin exploring the new features and optimizations included in Linux Kernel 7.1, the broader impact of these changes will become increasingly clear. Every release builds upon decades of development, pushing Linux forward while maintaining the stability and flexibility that have made it a cornerstone of modern computing. Linux Kernel 7.1 is more than just another version number. It represents the continued progress of one of the most important open-source projects ever created, delivering meaningful improvements that will benefit millions of users around the world.